Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see theorem 6.3 on chapter triangles for grade 10 students, which is based on basic proportionality theorem. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Triangles. Theorem 6.3 from the chapter triangles for grade 10 students. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the ratio or proportion and hence the two triangles are similar. This theorem is based on basic proportionality theorem. If you want me to prove the basic proportionality theorem, do let me know in the comment section. Let's start this theorem here. We have two triangles. So suppose that ABC and DEF, you have two triangles in which the corresponding angles are equal. What is that meaning? The meaning is angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. This one, A is equal to D, B is equal to E, and C is equal to F, it is given to you. I need to prove that their corresponding sides are in proportion. The meaning is AB over DE, AC over DF, BC over EF, they all are equal to each other. AB over DE, AC over DF, BC over EF. You have to prove that they all are equal. How we are going to prove that they are equal? Let's draw the triangle ABC inside the triangle DEF such that AB, the length AB is equal to DE, the length AC is equal to DQ, and we have to join P and Q. Let's draw that inside the triangle. This is my point P and this is my point Q. I need to prove the congruence between ABC and DPQ. We have just proved here that AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ. And from here we have angle A is equal to angle D. I have written all the three properties here. This is going to make you side angle side criteria. By side angle side criteria, triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, they are congruent to each other. When they are congruent to each other by CP/CT, we can write down that angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q. Let's see that here. We have written here angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q. But it is given to us that angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. That is already given to you. From these two equations, I can say that angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. If you look in the diagram here, this is your diagram. Angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. By corresponding angle properties, the line PQ and EF should be parallel to each other. This shows you that the lines PQ and EF are parallel to each other because by the corresponding angle property. Now I can apply the basic proportionality theorem here because these two lines are parallel to each other. Let's apply the basic proportionality theorem here. Basic proportionality theorem says that dP over PE is equal to dQ over QF. dP over PE is equal to dQ over QF. I need to flip my ratio here. PE over DP, QF over DQ. I need to add plus 1 inside it. I added plus 1. Let's take the LCM here of DP. The numerator will become PE plus DP over DP. Here QF plus DQ over DQ. PE plus DP. Let's see that what is there. PE plus DP is going to give you DE. QF and DQ is going to give you DF. So instead of this one, I can write down DE and I will write down DF. I need to again flip my ratio here. I will write down as DP over DE, DQ over DF. As we have drawn the triangle DPQ same as ABC, we had AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Let's replace this here with AB and AC here. So DP here is replaced by AB. DQ here is replaced by AC. As you can see from here, Now we have AB over DE. What is this? We have AB over DE is equal to AC over DF. It is here AC over DF. They both are equal to each other. Similarly, we can write down AB over DE is equal to BC over EF. We can write down as BC over EF also. When they are equal to each other, that means all three of them are equal to each other. Let's write down after that all three of them are equal to each other. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. This shows you that when the ratios are proportional, that means the two triangles are similar to each other. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And hence, we can say that the two triangles are similar to each other. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.